Hey guys, I have the 180 days social studies, 100 days of reading, and 180 days, 180 days of math. And these are all the 6th grade level. I really like these books. We homeschool, but I use these in addition to our curriculum. I know of some people, this is all they do. This could be great for homeschool kids or for public school kids that need like extra help or practice over the summer months or just throughout the year reading. As you can see here, like this is the math book, and you have the problems clearly listed there. You can score it, yes or no, super simple. I guess I should, yeah, that's what I thought. The answer keys are in the back, make it easy for mom and dad. I went over a few of these pages with my daughter. We haven't started our school year yet, and I'm very big on breaks. So, but she agreed to sit down with me and do a couple, look over a couple of the pages. And so for the math book, she thought that they were reasonable questions, easy to understand. It's for her, this looks like practice work and not really learning how to do the problem, if that makes sense. The little drawback is there's not necessarily enough room to work out the problems, but for us that's not a big deal because we have dry erase boards that we use for that reason. That's the math one. The 6th grade reading was super, I was impressed with this one because some of the comprehension books just aren't the way I like them, I guess. I can't find the one that she did. But like this one, it talks about being in the White House. So you read the little paragraph and then you answer the questions below. And there's some bigger vocabulary in there, and I was impressed that it like actually asked like, hey, what are those big words? What do they mean? So that was really cool, and she liked that. She thought that it wasn't too difficult, but she did like that there was a little bit of challenge. And again, answer key in the back. And the social studies, this is the one I've spent the least amount of time looking at. After doing the reading and looking at the math ones, she was kind of, Mom, I'm over you right now. I don't blame her. So, I mean, like, it's this page right here. You have look at the map and draw your own map. So it gives you a map in detail, and you get to practice it, which is important. Like, you should know how to look at a map, read a map. So this is like that was a geography. Then there's like a civics section. There's a history, which is why did people live in small groups? Like, and I like these. I think they're a good refresher, or like a little bonus to add to. And so it like repeats itself: civics, history, economics, civics, history, economics, as you go through. Oh, I guess there's some for like each week. Oh, there you go, because they're labeled. So to go along, that's super cool. But so that's the 180 days books. I like having these for extra practice.